Fact, there are tons of brow gels on the market. Other fact, no human being actually has time to try them all. That's why we're doing the deep digging and test driving to find the very best one. Hi, I'm Katherine, the Kids Beauty Director. For the past few weeks, my brows have ranged from glorious to Groucho marks as I've searched for the best brow gel on the market. I tested over 20 of them and I'm going to take you through my top 3. First up is Benefit's Gimme Brow. This guy's special ingredient are the little fibers that latch onto skin and hair to give you full fluffy brows like an 80s Brooke Shield. It's been a cult fave for years, but it's now available in more shades than ever. My second contender is Charlotte Tilbury's Legendary Brows. If precision is what you're after, this one's for you. The super tiny brush grabs every last hair without ever smudging onto skin, making it virtually foolproof. Last but not least is Millennial Fave Boy Brow from Glossier. It gives you those bushy, cool girl brows you'd expect from a model off duty in Chelsea. In other words, it's totally worth the hype. These are all amazing picks, but if you only buy one, I would go with the Benefit. It serves up beautiful, buildable volume that actually looks natural. And there you have it. Go ahead and flaunt those arches. The kit's got you covered.